Thanks for joining us here at Why Use Herbs. Today's herb, Uncaria rhynchophylla. It is also known as cat's claw, but it is completely different from the cat's claw we know that comes from Peru. Uncaria rhynchophylla benefits the cardiovascular system as well as known to be in the Lyme protocol from Stephen Buhner. What is Uncaria rhynchophylla? It supports the cardiovascular system, clears heat from the liver, subdues liver yang, alleviates spasm, and releases the exterior. How to use Uncaria rhynchophylla vine. It can be powdered, then made into your own capsules, made into a tea by doing a decoction, or adding alcohol to it and making it into a liquid tincture. When to take Uncaria rhynchophylla. Check with your doctor to ensure the dosage and the right way for you to use. Take without food. If your stomach is sensitive, though, you can take smaller amounts with food and then increase as your body adjusts. Herb category. Uncaria rhynchophylla is a substance that extinguishes wind and stops tremors. Safety and quality. Ensure the Uncaria rhynchophylla that you purchase is GMP'd, Good Manufacturing Practices, comes with a certificate analysis, and is tested for heavy metals and impurities, such as pesticides. Cautions for Uncaria rhynchophylla. Do not use if pregnant or nursing. It may cause feet to swell, also some nausea or diarrhea. Do not use in large amounts for an extended period of time. Always check with your physician to ensure medications will not be interfered with when you take Uncaria rhynchophylla. This is Uncaria rhynchophylla. It is known as cat's claw, but it is not the cat's claw from Peru. So be careful when you shop for it and always check the botanical name. Taste of Uncaria rhynchophylla is sweet. Temperature of the Uncaria rhynchophylla is cool. The meridians are liver and heart. Herb actions. Alleviates spasms, extinguishes wind, and releases the exterior. Why use herbs? Herbs benefit the body by promoting natural healing and focusing on enhancing the body's natural response. Thank you for listening, and we hope you visit again soon.